Welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time watching, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload brand new content. And also we have something special for you guys. Head over to our brand new website, www.richardbrownfilms.com. And remember, watch the video to the end, so we can talk a little bit more about the website and I tell you all the interesting and wonderful things that we have available for you guys. Hey! Come on, Abba. Yeah, man, come on. Here more you do for me. When you go to a shop and buy 2 pounds of goat meat.
Abba?
Yeah, I want curry some goat. Alright.
Me?
Yeah man, me. If this can buy 2 pounds, buy 1 pound.
What? Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah man. And if you can't buy, when I come back, me give you money too.
Abba.
Yeah, go up a Blakey. And if Blakey don't have it, go on me spam. Yeah, go on. Alright. Yeah. Party, now we don't have to go down good. Dummy. Where you go that? Where you go down hold a goat? Dummy. Oi, are you me a chat to dummy? Me send if you buy 2 pounds of goat meat. Where you do one hold a goat? When me go do one hold a goat? Me can't cook him. Dummy, you tell me say you want more money for your goat. So hold on. So how much you want for him? No, Dummy, you really tell me say you want 45,000 for your goat? Eh? Dummy, give me back my money. Give me back my money and carry goat gone. Cause you come like you take me for idiot. Dummy, 45,000 for one lily. Look at goat maga. Eh? I'm what the fuck? Where you get goat from? I feel goat. Just give me back my money. Give me back my money. Give me back my money. Some know say a real old dirty smarty, you know, dummy. God no, actually you're dumb, you know. Actually you're dumb, man. Me do have not pay. Me do have not pay, no, man.
Listen. Yeah, listen. You understand? Oh, you understand? My woman text like my text other man. More you watch. Watch out of your eye. Yeah, watch out of this your eye, your eye. Yeah. No worry about that, man. You're good, man. Money, no problem.
Oh.
Yeah, but you have to go now. Come here, go a road. Yes, just banana tree. Banana tree. Yeah, just, alright, you can't talk, just say, no, I understand, say you. Yeah. Just calm me, please. Remember, what?
Look like you're ready, man. Oh, what dummy I do ya? Are you ain't walk? Dummy! Dummy nah nothing for do. That's a good thing, say you can't chat, that's a problem. Come in, no? You're blind too.
What did you?
That was one of them tears there.
I think man not come for now, you know.
But
They
you
are work,
alright,
man.
man.
He more than good. Stage party in there. They are work I enjoy, me they are yard I enjoy too.
Man, don't be better right this time, you know. Oh.
I want him to worry about that little dumb boy downstairs.
Do that?
He just-
That a idiot. Babes! Babes! If it don't give problem, man, it a hack me finger. Oh, see up here. No man, no there where you talk about. What's you? Alright, looking at the bathroom. Looking at the bathroom for like better. Go on at the bathroom. Go on at the bathroom. I want me to the door, man. Open the door, no, man. Alright. I want nobody. Watch you. Someone there, man. Mercy.
Who run out right here, so? Oh! Me not understand, me say, who run out from out of my house? Me not understand that. Me not understand. Oh, wait. Rasta man! Yo, Brittany! never lick him out. Yes, me pay you.
What you say?
Come here. We pay you.
I want to dumb boy down here say to you.
He'll say see a Rasta man a run out of my house.
Me? Look, me tell you this. Hey.
Of course you. The man come here. Me tell him what he say already.
Yeah, how you hear what this man here say? You see man dumb.
No alarm. Me tell him
Yo,
if it's no
yo,
man
me don't want you walk on a kind of news for me and tell no lie now. The man come to fix the pipe.
Fix which
The
pipe?
bathroom pipe. Don't touch me. Me fist you in your mouth, man. Move from yourself.
The man did have one close. All right.
You can't listen to one dumb man.
Hey. I pay me now. I go
Oh, pay for watch me. You see
Yeah.
you? Are you? Oh no.
Tell me that so you're wicked.
Me tell you say man come to fix the pipe. What more you want me to say? Me want me tell
One
you for
thing
myself.
about
Oh,
bathroom
that I want
man.
me to do. I first do some money I carry. You need up there to not take place, man.
All right, this man sit down, you know.
He sit down right there, so you need it up there, so. He need it up there, so. Too yai.
I use
Move from you, so.
a back.
Kick him. What a man lie.
Fuck him on the ass.
That's crazy. What you really believe him? No, hello, me go see who you got. You believe him or you believe me?
Touch up her.
Me say the pipe did want fix and the man come fix the pipe.
He surely fixed the pipe here.
Not this a pipe here. The pipe in the bathroom. Me did want fix a bed, me figure bed, and the man come fix the pipe.
What
So me
you
can
want
go.
to do?
No, me have pride. Alright then. Since as I believe dummy, you go take dummy and can go up there so go sleep with him. And me go pack my things and call me mother.
Call myself, dummy.
Call myself.
You chat too
And
much.
dummy fi call me himself.
You chat too much, babe. You chat too much. You
Papa,
too
damn
lie.
right.
You lie. You love mischief.
Right there so. Yeah.
Where?
I want my big money. Give to lick out I think. Who from you so? Come on
Right.
here. Bright.
Right.
Right. How you want the replacement? A replacement I want me move from you so. Bright and feisty. And what harder.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah.
Good.
How was work?
Alright, you don't want that still. 12-hour shift in a bit. I said the man ready for come relieve me. Always give me some form of excuses. I say I can't. These things. Fed up, you know.
Find nobody else?
Fed up.
Sorry for hearing that.
Daddy, what did you eat?
I'm gonna make eat with crackers because I can't mother the rice.
Some John.
Can't mother the rice.
Come bad.
Can't bother me make it.
Just want to shower right now. I'm in bed now. Tired.
You not hungry?
I'm really munch for something when time I come in from work. I'm really hungry. More want to sleep than anything else.
Honestly, I don't like food go out for eat, you know, honestly.
You don't want to go out?
You just all about eat out.
When?
Huh?
When?
Later.
I told you all along, double shift that I just done doing, no babes. I just want to shower and just go lying on the bed, man.
Honestly, you know that every time I ask you, I could have a night out, it's always the same thing over and over.
Yeah. Just do it, man.
I been and see with you. That's the issue. I been and see with you. A month now, I ask you for me to have a eat out, you know. A drink out or something. You always have the same excuse. You're tired. You never have time for me yet. Always. Remember say me work too, you know. I work at call center and that take up all heap of my time.
Babes are two different type of work. Just understand that my one just physically draining, emotionally and mentally draining, babes.
Mine is too. Remember say white people me I deal with. With disrespect me go and disrespect me come. Remember say people over my back every single day. Remember say a call center a 10-minute break me get. And 45 minutes lunch. I'm always have time for you. But look at this.
Chad, I never think someone would come home come have a fight with me, man.
I'm not fighting. I'm just saying. It's the same thing over and over. You never have time. You have time for sit down and watch a container them. That's all you do. Sit down and watch a container them for hours upon hours.
Relax. We can take a rain check, please. We're just tired.
Take any check. Rain check. Sun check. Take any check you want. I'm done. Me not ask you to spend time with me no more. Take it all the time you need. Sleep up and sleep in the bed because that's all you do.
Like say, I don't think you understand, you know. I really don't think you understand. I do all of this to ensure say we live a better life. I look for the future, Lexi. And that I try to secure. I try to secure our better future. We can't do them things there now. You see me, when earlier we used to do it, but now we have a buckle down. Things are get hard. And we have to utilize the time we have. Because we don't know when me are going to lose this work. You don't know when your job can call and tell us don't come in. You see me? So we have to utilize these things, babe. I have to work because I try to secure the bag. I try to secure the future for us. You see me? That's what me about, Lexi. Yeah. Am I a bad boyfriend?
I didn't say you were.
But yeah, make it look like I'm a bad
You're just
boyfriend.
mad at relationships.
But babes, I don't cheat. I don't go out. I don't spend time with you.
It's better if you didn't spend time with me and I cheat. Because at least you don't spend time with me for me not caught up on your lies. You understand? You understand?
Babes. Star.
What you have to say?
I don't understand where you come from, babes. Because I really don't understand this. I am a good boyfriend. Like, you know what the people that love to have a man who just goes to work and come home to them.
Come on, come do what?
Come lie down in the bed with you.
All we do is sex and you sleep. Eat, sex, sleep. Work. That is it. It is a routine. And the cycle goes round and
So
round.
what else you want to do?
You don't understand? More when you spend time with me.
I'm gonna time this me the right now and talk to you. You see, we have a meaningless conversation right about now. What we argue for? We're not supposed to argue about them something. Them things that.
Oh, it meaningless. Me I ask you to spend time with your woman. Meaningless. Really?
I know some mean it, babes. I know some mean it, man. I take this thing out of context, man. I didn't mean it in that way. I'm just saying that we are having a meaningless. We're not supposed to fight over these things. Go just church what we have now. We have something good going on. It at work. You work, me work. I come in. We cook, we sleep, we eat, and we have sex. That's not good enough for you.
Sure. It is good enough. It is great. I couldn't ask for a better relationship. You know the thing with you? You say the wrong things always. Always.
Yes.
I don't have nothing more to say to you right now. Nothing more.
That's what I was shouting for.
Go on.
Don't tell us
Because
you
right
know.
now, you don't have no point. Go on. Go wash off.
Chance.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just go on.
Do your thing, you know. Do your thing. Nonsense.
We had to come from a papaya yard. So you do over there. Me not understand that. Oh, Rasta man. Did you over there? Where Rasta man? Did that papaya man? But Papa, the sappy man with the machete. So oh, you name video? You name video? You know no video? Boy, you know everybody is busy still in a dummy. So Papa, you there now? You over there? Papa, you walk off with the woman. After everything. Boy, no sense, man. Into a fool. So, the Rasta man there, you know him? Run gone. Boy, Papa, no sense, man. But yo, thanks to tell me still, because if I you, I don't know nothing what go on, you know. But you should have video it next time. Here, video. Alright.
So how I go next?
You blind? You blind?
I got this one. We've done the talk about this already, Lex. Yeah. What is pack up and what over this?
You don't know my suitcase right now? I come to a conclusion now. It just not work out.
What do you mean it not go work?
I feel you have to stay by yourself. And me for go my separate ways. That's the conclusion I came up with. So what you mean, what me mean?
I never think so we did inner this together, Lex.
You know what?
How can a relationship work one way? You never talk to me, you're not supposed to communicate with me, Lex. You're gonna just up and just leave me, so?
Listen to me. The relationship was always one way. Because it's like my day I saw with you, I'ma feel like my day with myself. That's how it's been feeling. Okay?
Lex, we discussed this the other day, and I'm almost sure you went and sleep and you're alright, we wake up the next morning. Even the same night we did have sex. And you're gonna tell me, so now, this is where it comes, this is what it comes to now? I see. What you say?
You keep on asking me the same questions over and over.
I want to know if you're sure, Lexi, because this looks serious, you know? This look like you no plan to come back. This look like, I don't know, break. This look like a gun. You literally leave it. Is that what you're saying? You leave it.
And if I ask for a break, I said I'm leaving. I am leaving.
You know what?
Hold this. Hold this.
Push all the best out here, yeah?
Don't give everything. Hold this like that.
Don't Mr. Wagwan. Boy, for when I can't say no girl bad man, Wagwan. Bad man, for when you eat much, be easier eat much easier and girl there than one girl. From the from when me tell me there, no me say no girl no. Come on, Wagwan. No girl me not say really. Come on, Wagwan, you know. No man. Acha. Alright, what you Wagwan now? Someone get up come here now. Man, Wagwan now. What you do to him? Man look good. Feel me to the man. Say look good. Nice and clean. So much now. So now, see me there. Now what is right there? She there now. See right there now. Now see me the girl. Come on, walk on now. Good night, nothing bad man. Watch out, bad man. See girl like my don't. Bad man, see the girl father. See him. Father, yo, help us see the girl father. Yo, see the girl bad man, jump so.
What's your name? Oh, you're dumb. You're dumb. Rexy. We can't call you dummy. Dummy. Thanks, dummy. I appreciate it. Thank you. You saved my life. You're a nice son. I'm never. Like me? Why don't me? In other situation, I'm not even know what to say. Single. You're single. Well, tell me more of my life. More of my life. Of course. We can go on a date. We can go on a date. I swear you saved my life.
Hold on, bro.
I did.
Next you upstairs. Next you upstairs.
Upstairs. Upstairs, she should have died.
What do you mean?
Lex in a pack up her bag, them and gone, big man.
So why she pack up her bag and gone?
Why? My woman a gonna make me know say me nah spend no time with her. Me nah no time for her. She needs time, she needs all of this. But all of what she asks for, it cannot be done because me have to work. The bills them have to pay, brother. And me no know if I understand, she don't understand that, but she, she said she want more.
Why? My cousin still, but I'm sorry, say only the left because I don't say I didn't want to go the youth them in the community stills.
Tell me that me I say fam. I try my best, for make ends meet, working hard, to ensure say food upon the table, to ensure say she have a roof over her head, to ensure say she have money for whenever she needs it. And me I do all of them things there, and still she want more.
Why? But sometimes they female, I don't know what they want stills, but I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, say only the left. We never expect it.
Never expect to see that, my cuz.
But you not spend no time with her none at all.
I don't have time. Come remember say my work is a demanding job, brother. Security work me do,
You know,
So when time I left out at evening time, morning time, I straight to work me there. And it's not like I cheat, I work, me going, just to ensure say food upon the table, roof over her head, clothes upon her back.
I know if you're feeling cause right now. I don't know if you know, but me get one police work, So,
Yeah.
me know say job demanding.
Ch- ch-
But
So she look for me and tell me, say, if it a cheat, me did a cheat. How woman says these things? Which woman would have said something like that? She say, I better cheat, me did a cheat, rather than not spend a time with her. I couldn't believe it when time she said it. Lit me for 6, brother.
maybe in a fear mind she think say if you're not spend no time with her, better if you have one other reason than not spend time with her. Well, I just one of them things say, but I'm a cousin. But I don't even know if to tell you. You just have a whole year going through.
Yeah, man, rough, but
Maybe I don't know for sure, but maybe we can work things out. I don't know.
work things out. Come on, brother. See how did she leave? She leave in a manner where up to now me never understand. She never give the thing a chance, She never say, oh, make me sit in, buckle in and try, Try if you do things different. She get up and leave. Me can't take back a woman like that.
So how long you live?
Well, I look like she left me a long time, But she's just physically there.
So how long now talk? So how long now since she did tell us say you're not spend no time with her?
A couple months, me not gonna lie to you. Or a couple
Boy,
weeks, give her a take.
feel bad that then brother cause
I feel bad that in one way, cause if she had tell you that months ago, you should have just said, we try to fix things before.
Yeah, but I think say she would have been understanding to the fact say it's work me working, Javi. That me talk about man. I think it was a thing where she should have understand because I work me work job. But it not look like it a go work. And me see what she a say. And me not gonna say me fully understand. I think she would have been more understanding. But yeah what? That's one of them things then I'm a boss. I have to just look elsewhere, yeah, man. You know, say me find somebody more compatible for me.
Yeah, cause
I understand.
you know what people always say, maybe when you love somebody, better if you just let them go on down.
You know, you're right.
But if I think, look more here, cause me know a job demanding. I'm no say we really love each other, but I just one of them things about. Just go on well, yeah, bro.
I wish her the best, you know. And I hope say our next relationship better than this.
Me glad,
Or she figure it out
me
still.
glad say you still care about her.
Yeah, man.
But
Wish her all the best, man.
look more here.
Take it easy, my boss.
Yeah, man.
Hi. But dummy, you're going with things, man. Now where you find a girl here? She dumb too? She dumb?
No,
She dumb?
no, I can't speak.
Oh, you know
He's
dumb.
just trying to say I'm his girlfriend.
She pretty though.
Thanks.
That's nice of you. Dummy, that's nice of you. You find a girlfriend. Wait. I lie. Hold on. Dummy. Popeye. Popeye. See the Rasta. In a bed with a woman. And so where Rasta there? In Ghana hospital? You don't know? Oh, you and her go a river, go swim. Okay, later.
I'm saying full of stories. It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Your girlfriend pretty though. Yes. Where you get Jesus, where you get so much news from? I don't know how you manage to get so much.
Mango. Want a mango? Oh, yeah. Mango. Yeah. No, me can't put it down if you turn. I like it when it turn. No. Dummy, it now go run my belly. Me can't put it down if you turn. I want this too and I want the mango. Okay? Yes. Come on.
350. Yeah, man. 150. Yeah, man. Well, I'm not change.
Awa.
So you really tell me say, yo, nobody saw watch you from how long? You tell me say it's a dumb man you left
So
me
you
for?
tell me, say you follow me.
I pass me a pass, it's a dumb man you left me for? You really tell me say you left good solid man for
Oh,
this?
you reach yes, sir. That me want. Dummy, I'm an ex. I'm an ex.
See all that
I'm
this
a-
me I'm talking about ex.
No, nobody with that. Dummy, nobody with that. That's not necessary.
What kind of bad this? What kind of foolish
You
shit is
follow me
this?
for that. Me want to
I mean that woman follow you for? No public road. A public road.
Yeah, but you embarrass me out here, sir.
I mean,
No, yeah,
what you do?
Dummy, no, that's not necessary. Dummy, that's not necessary. It's not necessary. Dummy, that's not necessary. Dummy, you need to calm down. 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 Don't make it go on, no, man. Listen, make it go on. Come on, take what you take now, make it go on.
Domino, calm down here. Yeah, man. A good man. Just be nice, Domino. Just be nice.
We never mean it.
Yeah, man. Just be nice. Ah! Take your time. Here, father.
Oh, granddaddy.
Hey, walk along, you alright?
Yeah, man.
Hey, so where you carry?
You know, say, I get some overeating problems, so I feel make one mechanic look go out quick.
Alright. You shouldn't call man, because I could have even just call one taxi and make them come pick you up. You see me?
That's alright. Me just make one of you them on the force just drop me down.
Alright. That's something, so somebody me out here wait for him to collect one little money. For one work comedy, but I don't see him, so he look like say, I have to go make it on here, man.
Me don't want me deal with that.
No, sir, that good, man.
Cause we just done the up this the one roadblock.
Well, yo, you know, if you pressure youth them too hard on the road, no, because we don't want nobody pre you or pre me, you know.
Oh, you don't have to worry about that, daddy. Me have me handgun, you know, but me know where it go, so I don't have to pressure nobody.
Alright.
Work me come to work.
Hold on. Where you say? A long ear Rasta boy? You see the Rasta boy, long ear one, with the two eye, and his son. What them a do? You see him with your two eye, with gun. So, him kill nobody, then dead. Who he shoot? Okay, and he gone. Police gone with him? Oh, his son turned police. Okay. Okay. Alright. Yeah, you're gone. Later. My fire gun. Yeah, alright, later.
I know we have a cold day. I'm hot, you know.
Me see, man, you sweat like hog.
I work hard.
Mm.
So I go on with you.
I'm gonna cook, eat some food. Some food in my stomach.
I'm not gonna lie, still, you know. I'm surprised you're there with Dummy, you know.
I don't you come here for?
Or that me come to you.
Why everybody so surprised at me and do me attack? He's a nice guy, you know, not because him dumb.
So, alright, me take you for your word, but out of all I man them in the community.
What that's supposed to mean? Him have a good personality, he's very romantic. Not because him can't. Any man, son.
Okay. At least me not have to worry about him and kick you down. But
Him not so disrespectful.
don't worry yourself, man. But just in case nothing happen to you, don't say you can call me.
I know, man.
Me always have my license gun for me.
For dummy.
If you dummy. Not trust me.
Dummy, alright, I swear. I am that, you know. But anyways, I'm saying I'll cook some food.
Alright, left some for me.
Alright.
I'll go on dummy.
Hey, babe. I'm a cousin.
You good?
My cousin, shaky man.
Oh.
Cousin. Family.
But we'll talk to you later, yeah?
Alright, later.
Yeah, later.
Alright. Come on. Cook some food. Cousin, family. Want you? Mommy! You can't, man. What is wrong with you? Don't put your hand on me, man. It's my cousin. My phone. Take it. What is wrong with you, dummy? Me not take it for idiot. So what you kill me for? It's my family. My cousin. Me not take it for idiot. Me not cheat and you not tell no lie for me. It's my cousin. Dummy, stop. It's my cousin. Look how me there. I brag to my cousin. Say you're nice and you're loving and your personality up. And I say you deal with me because you think me a cheat. I say you deal with me. I say you did dark and fool. Stop abuse me.
Dummy, what you say? You see the crab woman? Shit in my pot. And tell the people them. What a nasty woman. And tell the people them. What a nasty woman. Dummy, you know everybody business. Oh, you know? Oh. What you say? What you try to tell me say? You're dumb, but you're here and you see. You just can't talk. Okay. Alright. Take care.
Cause why you look so?
You know, sir, the other day when you left, don't me accuse me, say, me and you there. And him put him hand for me, him nearly kill me with it down there.
Wait, where you say?
Like him. You not hear me, sir?
Don't be putting your hand by you.
Don't me nearly kill me with it now. No put hand. Nearly kill me with it down there. I said, me and you there.
And that's why I tell you to go there with dummy, you know.
I said, Javi, him have my phone from way or when me not hear from my mother. I don't know if none of my family member alright.
And that's why I try to call her, I can't get her.
Him have my phone.
Alright, cause I domestic violence, this, you know. Alright, man, okay, I'm in a station. You know. Me tell her already if you know they with dummy, you know. And see him come hurt you. Which part him?
No, you know, must around the corner this.
I must say dummy can't hear, you know, say after.
Dummy, him can't hear.
Dummy!
My cousin. Listen to me. Me not bring no man coming here upon you. Me dey tell you say I'm my cousin. And I come for lock you up because you put your hand upon me. What?
Dummy, calm down. Dummy, listen to me now.
You see what me talk about?
Let me talk to you. Dummy, right now, I lock me for lock you up, you know. I don't think you understand the situation. Let me slow down. Listen to me now. Let me slow down my words to me if you not hear me. Dummy, I can't if you carry down a station, you know. Dummy, calm
Let me
down.
go.
Calm down. Dummy, a domestic violence I call
Javi,
this.
stop him now. Javi, stop him.
He not gonna do nothing.
Javi, stop him. You see him off the machete.
Dummy, he not
Stop
gonna
him.
do.
You see him off the
Dummy.
machete.
Calm yourself. Me I don't know fighting police. Me will shoot you in a youth. Relax yourself. Yo. If I want thing, I shoot me for shoot you in a youth. If I want thing, me for shoot you in a youth. You feel say you can bother police? You feel say I fight when me I go upon my job? I shoot people, you know. If I want him, me for shoot in the head, you know, boy. Come out here, sir. Come out here, sir. Go on for your something now. Go on for your clothes. Yes. You know what? Come back. Nobody go for your clothes though. Right now, station where I go. Nobody will be begging. Right now, go on. Go on. Because right now, if I want you to shoot me, shoot you.
Oh, hello. We need to talk to you. Come here.
How I know?
Come on, Fire Road. Why your face look so?
I'm happy for saying that, but I'm not in a good mood right now.
What happened to you?
My mate don't get locked up.
Why?
So my cousin come look for me the other day, right? And dummy accuse me. Say a man me a take from him. And he nearly killed me down a yard with lick.
So me never know say Dummy did jealous.
I never know. I not even didn't know say I saw him stay. I never know he was that type of person. He nearly killed me with him. He lick me and lick me this up.
Dummy beat up you.
Candy.
Jesus.
I God live it. Dummy nearly killed me with lick down there. Now if I call my cousin, you know my cousin is police. Make him bring him down at station.
Why police sense about it?
Him come for talk to him, right? Dummy go on the most way, take up machete and run off for the 2 away. So, not talking no that no more, you know. Not talking nothing that him have to bring him straight down at station.
Hold on there. Actually, me never want to go in no business, you know. I'm a friend for a long time. But you see, to Dummy ignorant because it's words them when you want to say, he can't get to say it out good. The worst if they ask him when he say. Over and over, they ask him when he say over and over. He might get ignorant because he can't come out with it. So what you could have doing so make him come? Which man that say they have man with him?
No, my cousin.
Jesus Christ,
You
Dummy.
know my cousin.
Dummy too jealous. No man. So the police then lock him up, me have to go talk to him when they.
Javi.
Eh?
Javi a police, you know Javi?
Yeah.
Yeah, Javi come look for me.
So Dummy in a cell, you lock up?
Yeah.
Jesus God. In the pan bail or what? Because me have to go bail him.
Honestly, I don't want to find out right now. I feel like I not sleep. I regret this. I regret letting dummy in my life.
Where did say your name again?
Lexi.
Lexi. Well, Lexi, me not condole no man for no violence with no woman, for abuse them, whether emotionally, sexually, physically, or whatever, Ali. Me sorry for hear about what go on. God know, me never know say you're so ignorant and stay. Can you imagine if he could attack? Oh God, me sorry, God know. Me sorry for hear what go on. But guess what? Me not tell you to go back to him when he come out of jail, you know, I'm my friend, but me not tell you to go back to him because if nothing happen to you, I feel my conscience I go kill me. Now he end up in a prison. Sorry for him. But me go down a station go check him. Anyway, a taxi me did a wait for. Look like it accident happen still. Me go have to walk.
Alright.
Bye.
Take care.
Take care. Me check you here.
Yeah.
Alright. I come for bail dummy, you know.
You come for be a dummy.
Yeah.
Alright, but you know what dummy do, right?
Yeah, me hear about what you do. I'm sorry for that way happen. But if you remember saying dummy, you know.
Miss Candy, dummy could have done some more. What give him the right for putting hand power on woman? No man not for put their hand power on a woman.
That I chose still.
And worst of all, I'm my cousin. My cousin come to me and tell me, say, dummy, beat him up. So me come to talk to dummy, you know. Cause me never come there for fight him, you know. And then dummy I come pull my shit for me. So me not for defend myself.
Me understand, but me no know say pull my shade for you. Sorry about that still. You know, cause me little friend.
Me understand, but if I did some other police, dummy would have never alive right now, you know.
That I true.
That's why I carry my station. You lucky say you never go to prison.
Well, me respect what you do still and you never hurt him.
Talk to him because next time he could have did on a mag and lay down.
That I true. You know, say me talk to him enough time, Javi. Me talk to him, but me realize that you him dumb and the words then when he want to get out and then now come out good. He come like he want to take out upon people.
Dummy, you need to learn the lesson.
Me not talk to him, man.
But I will go for him because they're in a jail right now.
Alright.
Because they're in prison.
Okay, thanks.
We hope you learn a lesson. Because next time, I could have shoot you, you know. So I hope you know that. You see, because you're dumb, nah, I'm not even going to pay no mind.
for persons who are interested in the product, we have them available. So the number, you can call directly to Dr. Jack, or you can message me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films. Let me tell you a little bit about what going with the tablet, what in the tablet, them in the buckle. All right, so this is the little canister where coming out. You have 8 tablets in it. $5,000 for the entire canister. So if you guys are interested, link me up. We can provide them to you. We can figure out how we get them to you. $5,000 for it. If you don't know what the product is all about, it's male enhancement. For like if you as a man you feel like you're not stay too long or you not have a firm erection, you don't know, don't feel shame. Link me up. I have the product them and it's totally natural stuff. And nothing where you have to go worry about say, boy, you take care, you're gonna have heart attack and this, that. All natural. Just natural herbs and things. And you don't know say, me not gonna talk about a product that I never used before. So you don't know say me use it before and it work. So me can tell about it. You see me? So link me up. We'll make some arrangement and you guys can get it on Instagram, Richard Brown Films on Instagram, or you can call Dr. Jack. So the telephone number, you can see it? You can see it? Alright, big up on yourself.
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further. With over 20 years of experience, we cater for all weddings and events island-wide at an affordable rate. Stop what you're doing. Pick up the phone and call the number on the screen. We are dedicated to serve you.
Thank you for watching to the end of the movie. And as I said in the beginning of the movie, I have something special to talk to you guys about. And that is the new website that we have launched, richardbrownfilms.com. So what this website is all about is all the content that we have on YouTube here will be placed on the website ads free. You get to watch all the content and don't have to worry about ads throughout the video. And also we'll be putting content over here that is nowhere else on the internet except on the website. So you'll definitely have to subscribe to the website for you to access those content. What we're doing for the first 1,000 persons who will subscribe to the website, you will get 1 year free access without have to pay any money. So after that 1,000 subscribers, what we'll be charging is $3.65, which is $3.65 US, not $365, $3.65 we'll be charging for you to subscribe to the channel for 1 full year. And that is dirt cheap. That is a couple cents per month. That is dirt cheap. So you can support the movement by signing up to the website. And once we start to roll over where we have the 1,000 subscribers, then you, the persons who are a part of the subscription, you can become an affiliate to the website, meaning that if you tell persons about the website and have them signing up, you will get $1 from that subscription. So if you can get 10 persons, that will be $10 US that you will get for those 10 persons who sign up, and the list goes on. You can do the maths. So please remember, you'll be supporting a worthy cause, and this website is more of us having control of our own destiny in terms of creating content, and not just creating wealth in terms of for Richard Brown Film, but for everybody who is involved, from down to the actors, to the person who is holding the camera, to the person holding the mic, and also for the entire Jamaica. So if you're a person who love the Jamaican culture and want to see something great, and you being a part of something great, you'll definitely want to sign up for this. You know what I say? I know a lot of persons might watch us from time to time and say, oh, when you come on internet, I beg. But we want to step away from that. We want to become independent in the sense that we have a platform that we put our content on. You guys get to access it. We make revenue, and then we can make moves. With that, we can get new equipment. We can hire more people. We can get people for work full time without having to say, all right, boy, I have to do a 9 to 5. You'll be doing something that is worthwhile doing. You know what I say? Because what a lot of persons are not aware of is entertainment is a big business worldwide. And if we here in Jamaica can tap into that, that can help to boost the economy and help to create jobs for more persons. So please, let's join on board and support the movement. www.richardbrownfilms.com. Alright, so we're going with the nigga. Long time we don't come on nigga. But you know, today, I never feel the vibe still for come on nigga. I not lie, because me as a man, I work with my spirit, I work with my energy. If I don't feel the fullness, I don't move. But today, I fight the feeling and say, boy, I forward on the nigga side. Because a long time, I don't see all cast members like Popeye and
Burn it
Fire
down.
and the rest of people. You know, a long time, I see them all the time now and then, but a long time I don't really come link them on a linkage or even, say for example, shoot something. So today we are going to shoot one movie I start shoot from one named Dummy and one named Sunday Service. So we are going to do both of them. We are going to just get some shots with them, Sunday Service and Dummy. So a long time I don't see Popeye, but we get to find out that Popeye, you're not bake again.
No, the baking,
That's all like
the for retirement.
Eh?
That's all like I say now I'm being again.
No, bake again.
What's what you're saying, man?
No, but it's all like that, but carry on.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so you say now bake again, Popeye. So what go on?
The baking take a lot of time. You have to get up 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So I'm going to get a break. But if anybody wants some baking, I will do it for them.
Okay, alright. So basically, I say Popeye, he must still bake, but you don't know, say, movie take a whole heap out of him, so he must take a little break from the
Right.
kitchen and have mostly focused on movie. So for those who been watching in channel also, PVS, that's how you go?
PFS Films.
PVS, Papa?
PFS Films.
Oh, PFS Films. What that mean?
Popeye Film Store, Filming Studio, sorry.
Oh, Popeye Film Studio. PFS?
Yeah, PFS.
Okay,
Yeah.
Popeye Film Studio. Yeah, man, so that's a go on. So as me I say, you know, I'm mostly focused on movie and I put out content, back of content, because YouTube is a place for content. So at the end of the day, you have to go and put in the work and I go and make things happen. It's just a pity that but now say we worlds apart because the way of Petersfield and everybody down in Nigel, so it's kind of hard for really.
No, we soon make it time where we can have 2 days out of the week or 1 day out of the week of Petersfield.
Well, I don't know that because boy, when we them are done so fast, it's a
Rough.
way. But as I say still, that's one of the things when me envision and I say, you know, say a long time we not link up and we probably need to do that a little bit more. Start do some film back with the old people. Because at the end of the day, I guess everything start from, and not only that, I guess everything start from, but that's where people used to love seeing. You know what I mean? I say love to see faces like Popeye and Curious and everybody. So we are see if we can tie everybody back in one sense, even 1 day a week. We
No, that's
come
good.
down and we get some movies done. Because at the end of the day, we are trying to make things happen. And not only that, we are trying to make things happen, but we also have a lot of things in place. We can take the movie thing to the next level. Like we have 2 Black Magic them up and running now. We have a microphone. We have lights. We have all we need to really take the things in our next direction. So hopefully soon, but very soon, we can say we work on one full featured film where we can get people in our place and time for sit down and watch it, where we can make back some revenue straight in our hand. Yeah, man. So that's the thing,
And live comedy too. We want to do live staging comedy,
yeah,
you know,
that's
come
one
out,
thing,
come
yeah.
watch and
Yeah.
laugh.
Yeah.
You know, I'm going to my rum style, ready for it.
Yeah, man. So that's one I think we are looking into some live play too. That can, because Jamaicans used to play. So
Yeah, man, could I do a big boy and chuck it on stage, just 2 away? No. We do live,
we have to bring back everybody. Big Boy, Chucky, Candy, everybody and do.
Well, they have Big Chucky and Big Boy and Candy.